Dick, welcome back everybody. Welcome any new subscribers. As always, appreciate that shit. Yep, we're back on this. Sorry. Hey, what can I tell you, man? We did drop a new motor in it, so it did not go as planned. But we did figure out the problem. And the problem was I had the motor plugged in wrong. I had this shit plugged in wrong. I had A on B and B on C or some shit, whatever, but it was, you'll see. So we're going to take it out again tomorrow and see if it'll do better than what it did today. We'll put that at the end of the video, so we ain't got to make 2 videos out of this shit. I know you guys getting sick of this damn thing. I'm not, but I know you guys are. Alright, so enjoy the video. Oh, also, I did modify the wheelie bar. If you remember before with the original one, you gotta take the bumper off, then the wheelie bar comes out here. It sticks out to about right here. It's just straight like that. And that's just like saying, hey, break me. So I cut that bitch off. You see where I cut it out there. I put a couple bolts through that bitch. Shit. You'll see it works. And just, you'll see the problems. Alright, let's go see the problems. Alright, got new motor in her. Got GPS on there, see if that bad boy's working. And it is. Let's see what we can do. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tire ballooning like a bitch. Got a little too much motor in there. We did 42. Faster on the other motor. Drive her in the dirt. And we got her up to 24. Got up to 29 with the other shit. Plowed right through that shit. See if we got past 24. Tire ballooning like a bitch. 26. I think we got a little work ahead of us. Alright, let's see what you do. I think the wires are hooked up right this time. Still ballooning. Yeah, not as fast as I thought it'd be. Not me, right? There you go. Just light them front tires up. Gotta do something with them diffs, I think. Let's see if we can get it past. I think we already got up to what, 44, 42? Just a little squirrely. Wasn't like this before. $44. We did 46 before. I'm moving across this crap better than it did yesterday. I think we got it up to at least, we only did 24 yesterday. When did I get to? 29, okay, that's when I did originally. I think we're gonna have to gear this up or something. I don't like them tires ballooning, man. Shit handles this shit good though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, I gotta cut that down someday. And tires just balloon like a bitch. I gotta do something with them diffs and figure out why she ain't as fast as she should be. Should have been faster than that other motor. And we did get up to 30 in the dirt. So. Kinda got like a little delay. There we go. Oh. $38. They all four just balloon, man. Put them armor ones back on. Definitely gotta do something with them diff fluids. Something ain't right. What you got? Did we get it up to 46? $49. So yeah, we did get a little faster. Alright. So in closing, before we get going that, here's the original. This is how the wheelie bar is supposed to be. What the hell? That shit gonna break day one. I don't even know what the hell they were thinking with that. So much simpler. Alright, let me get back to it. Alright, so basically, I think what the biggest downfall of this thing right now is these tires. These just, they're like that. Backwards were doing it too. It was driving on just this little thread here that was so expanded. So, but I think the motor's good. Like I said, I got an extra mile an hour in the dirt out of it. And I got an extra 3 miles an hour on the pavement out of it with the new motor. And I think I could do better without these tires. I think I put these, either maybe order some backflips or throw these on there for now. Or I don't really want to do belted, man. God, I hate belted. I might have to for this one, just for this one. We'll decide that. But I'm going to take it. The diffs are coming out. That one's coming out. Center one coming out. They all coming out. I got to see one sitting there. And the shit ain't too thick, then I'm gonna like put $500,000 in the center and 50,000 in the rear and 100,000 up front, something. See if that's any better. But definitely going to try changing these tires out. That damn sure can't hurt. But it just didn't do it like that with the other motor. Maybe it's spinning them too quick or something. I don't know. Pulling it out my ass again. All right, the last 3 or 4 minutes of this video is me putting this aftermarket motor thing in here to put the motor in. So if you want to watch that, it's right after this. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time out here. Yeah, so what this is the heat sink, so you can put a different motor in it. And this came with that one. So I didn't have to spend 45 bucks on it. So we got it all apart. The instructions for this thing are really sweet. I just happened to look in here and see them. I tried to look them up online. I couldn't find a damn thing. And then I just happened to look in here. I was like, oh, okay, that looks pretty simple. So basically, I just put the shell together first. And then I can stick this in. What I got here is that's Easy Run 4274 censored brushless 2250. So it's a Gen 2, whatever the hell that means. Let's see, Gen 2. Alright, so we're going to see if we can't get this in here, because this is only a 2200. So that's going to be an extra 50 kV, so that's like an extra 4 horsepower or some shit like that. Yeah. Alright, so this goes in here pretty nice. They're up right in there. These tabs, I was kind of worried about this shit at first, but I bent these bitches up. I'm still thinking I might want to grind a little bit of this off, just so the motor moves or something, doesn't short everything out. Yeah, I'm going to grind some of that shit off. But screw it. I'll be right back. Alright, I think we're going to call it a day. This shit looks good to me. Alright. So, alright, I'm going to get this shit put together and make sure it's going to fit before I go too far. I don't know if I can put fans on this or not. Maybe on the sides here? This is some effed up shit, boy. Alright, whatever, enough crying. Let me get this shit together. Alright, got it all in there. Cut some wires. Good to go. These are 10 gauge. It came with 12 gauge, but that thing kind of small, man. Little baby wires. So yeah, I had some. So plus it already had the ends on it. Got the sensor wire hooked up. Got a nice long one. Came with the damn motor. Alright, let me get these tinned up. Get these ready and get them on there. And we can call her a day. Alright, got her all on there. Not coming off yet. I think we're good. Alright, so let me get this 2200 4-pole dynamite. Kid dynamite motor out of here. And we'll put this one in. See what happens. Alright, got her in there. I had to put a 24 tooth in there for the pinion. I wanted to put the 23 back on it, but the freaking, I bought a bunch of these, and what they did was they put cheap ass grade grub screws in there, so it just stripped right out. So if you're gonna be cheap on the pinions, pull the grub screws out and put your own in there. So I gotta get this thing off here. It shouldn't be that hard. Whatever. But yeah, the shit's in here. It works. I turned it on. Gonna break in the pinion a little bit, but it's plenty of room. So yeah, nice and censored. Should be good. I have to get it outside and really drive it. All right. So let's see what she'll do.